several amateur radio CubeSats, including the Lithuania Sat-1 and LitSat-1, have been deployed by the International Space Station.
Well, your insurance company's not going to like you very much if you keep doing that. Oh no! Where's my seatbelt? Do you have your seatbelt on, Jeffrey?
No.
I don't think so. Oh, that's not the road.
That's the crack.
Yeah, it looks like you're taking a shortcut, huh? Oh, so much for that fence. Oh, look at those sports cars. Alright.
I'm going to the new. I'm going to show me the a brand new a new safe house.
Here's when we went through a red light. Oh look, there's a blimp up there.
There's the train station. There's a tram station over there. There's the light. Let's go check a brand new safe house. How about Sally? Let's check on press the store. And this is the map. So let's go up there. Yes. What's that? Safe house.
A safe house? Okay, go ahead.
A brand new safe house.
Okay.
Alright, we're at the safe house. There's the bed, and there's a locked door, and the works door, no entry, and the bathroom, and there's the manpower elevator. I'm going to show me.
You mean the stairs?
I'm going to show me a new garage.
There's the maid over there, and there's the garage.
With a car.
Yeah, they have a lot less things.
There's the kitchen.
Yeah, small kitchen.
Living room.
Was it
dining room?
Dining room. Yeah, what do they do at the dining room?
And the backyard. What's that?
What is it?
The outdoor swimming pool.
And what else? What's the little circle thing there?
Hot tub.
That's a hot tub.
And the right next by the tennis court.
A tennis court?
Tennis ball.
Do you play tennis?
Yeah, it's like the Woods pool.
Okay.
On Lincoln.
Oh yeah. They have a couple of tennis courts next to Woods pool. You're right.
And then go back inside. And this is a full side kitchen. And there's the MPE. There's the couch in the hallway. And there's a sign that says no entry. That's locked. And that's the other bedroom. There's the bed. And there's the closet. That's the bathroom.
Look how nice and neat everything is in there, huh?
And over here, what's that?
Well, what is that?
Bathroom.
That's the bathroom. That's right. Is that everything? Is that it? Okay. Look.
Alright, this is the snow outside.
It's just beginning to snow. Oh goodness. Good thing I put the car in the garage, huh? Oh goodness. You really can't see very well out here either.
Don't let him go outside.
He won't go outside. Well, who's the cat?
No, Blake.
Yeah.
No, Jeffrey.
Several amateur radio CubeSats, including the Lithuania Sat-1 and LitSat-1, have been deployed by the International Space Station. These are the Lithuania's first satellites, and they're out and running. NASA, get your pencils, I'll give you the frequencies in a moment. NASA reported that the nano deployments took place February 26, 7, and 8, as the onboard expedition 38Q crew prepared for the arrival of a cargo ship from the U.S. and the departure of 3 crew members. While that was going on, they literally launched these satellites, shoot them out the door. 2 sets of nano-rack CubeSats deployed late Wednesday and early Tuesday from a deployer mechanism in the multi-purpose experiment platform attached to the Kibo robotic arm. So they don't just out the door. They actually do sling them out. The 2 more launches to go, and they'll all be up. The Sat-1 carries an FM transponder, uplink at 145.950. Signals coming back to Earth at 435.180. And it also has a packet transponder, if you want to send some packet up, 145.85 to go up, and the packet will return with others at 437.55. The CW beacon, if you just want to listen to it go over, is on 437.275. LitSat-1 carries a sideband transponder. Uplink goes at 435.18. Listening back to Earth, which means we can all do that, at 145.95. And also they have a packet transponder going up at 437.55, coming back to Earth at 145.85. ArduSat-2 will transmit 9.6 MSK data at 437 megahertz downlink, and this mission is to provide a platform on which students in the DIY space enthusiasts may design and run their own space-based experiments. More to come. UAP will carry a packet transponder up at 145.98, coming back at 437.385. That's deployed by the University of Lhasa in Peru. And finally, one from the National University of Engineering in Peru has data coming back to Earth at 437.25. So lots going on in space. These are all up and running, so turn your radio around and listen. You may find some satellite data coming back. This is K0GND Lincoln. All suspects here. Andaman Islands on 3 Charlie 0 on the air until March 8th on HF bands. Barbados, Zambia, Rwanda, Bahamas, Easter Island, Morocco, the Dominican Republic, Luxembourg, Aruba. Bob, W5AJ, is on the air as P40G, enjoying the sun while we're not. Bonaire, PJ4 on the air. Saba, St. Eustatius, PJ5. Suriname, Papa Zulu on the air. A couple of guys from Belgium over running that station. Iceland has a special event station. Some guys in the Northeast who are operating as Tango Fox portable their calls. Christmas Island, that's a rare one, VK9 X-Ray. A couple of guys from Sevenland out there as VK9X portable their home calls. Turks and Caicos Islands is on the air with a group of some around this neighborhood from Zero Land. Bermuda, Latvia, Nicaragua, Tristan da Cunha, and Clue Island on the air. And let's see, Amsterdam St. Paul's operation earlier this year, the Fox Tango 5 Zulu Mike operation, has been approved for DXCC credit. And tonight we'll be at the convention on March 15th, that's a Saturday, and we'll be checking cards. So if you have cards to be checked, bring them over, and then you have to mail them in to ARRL. We'll take care of that for you. This is K0GND Lincoln. They showed an aurora borealis in Europe. The stretch of the United Kingdom from Wales all the way across through Scotland, and just spectacular ribbons and curtains of color in the sky as the solar flux has really been bumping around. From Ted Cook out in Seattle, he says we saw an increase in solar activity over the past week, but it appears that perhaps the second week of our second peak of cycle 24 is not over. Average daily sunspot numbers about 20% above where they had been before. Predicted A indices to be in the 20 to 25 range in the next few days. On Thursday, February 27th, the CME hit Earth at 1645. That's the one that caused the activity I mentioned in the UK. It was from an X4.9 solar flare. They were reported on the 25th. The planetary A index increased to 24, which was the same reading for Alaska's college A index. Mid-latitude A was 15. If you look at the daily sun image for the left side of the page, and they've got some websites here, you can see what's going on there. The new auroral prediction tool is online, ready for you to use also. And tonight begins the phone weekend, ARRL sideband contest, running March 1 and 2, which is 4 p.m. Friday. It started at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, 3-hour time, and runs until 4 p.m. 3 Eastern Time on Sunday. So there's lots of DX stuff on the air, and the packet cluster right now is just going nuts with lots of stations. Taking a look at the current results from WWV, let's see what the solar indices are. Solar flux currently is 171, A index at 13, K index at 2. We've had a moderate S2 activity on the sun in the last 24 hours, and they're predicting an S1 and an R1 in the next 24 hours. So that's all the information we have for you tonight from the Lincoln Amateur Radio Club. This is K0GND. We'll take a standby for additional check-ins to the net on the station like to join us. Then we'll go back up the list for comments. So, who else is out there? Check in only with your call sign. This is K0GND.